we are going to start new topic of geography for the earth our habitat part 2 this book. So in this book the first chapter is the earth in the solar system. Have you seen the sky at night? If not, take break and please go outside, see the sky at night. What can you see there? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Beautiful stars there are, which we can observe so many stars there. How wonderful it is to watch the sky after sunset. Can you able to count them? No, because there are uncountable numbers stars. Some are bright, some are dim, but if you look at them carefully, you will notice that some of them do not twinkle as other stars. Here in this picture, you notice that one. One thing observe here, the highest object we can see in the sky, that is moon. Convenes in the moon same shape every day, every night, settling all out. No, that few days after we can see moon full in size. We called it full moon or Purnima. So it full moon that called Purnima. Then there are some few nights when we can see that moon, it is disappear. Their moon at all. We can't find it. So those few nights we call that new moon, or it is called Amavase. So they have time spent of 15 days. It is fixed after full moon. We can see 15 days after new moon. In the sky at night we can see the moon. We can see the stars. Sometime we will notice that sun. What are they? What we call them? We call all these things celestial bodies. Whenever you look at the sky at night or daytime, what we can see in the sky? All are celestial bodies. Now sun, moon, all the planets, whatever is there in the sky, we call that celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot, and they have their own light. That reason we can find out their twinkle at night. Sun is the star, like that the only star we have in our solar system. And the sun has 9 planets. It was 9. Now it is claimed 8 some planets which are revolving the sun round the sun at night. If you watch in the sky, there are many stars together are they forming in some of the shape. We called it a constellation. They get the some of the shapes. Here this is like the question mark, and here 3 are the stars and imaginary lines. So like that, these are called constellation. These shapes we called it a constellation. Then all the objects look smaller when we see from the away from the very far away distance. For example, flying aeroplane looks like a small one. So all these stars in the sky very little in their size, but we will notice one thing. We can easily recognize some stars. That is name Ursa. That is name Ursa stars. So major it is Saptarishi. It is the group of 7 stars. Saptarishi. This is the name of Saptarishi, 7 stars. This shape is like a question mark. See here, in this picture you will notice that the girl looking the pole star, that is pole star. This pole star recognized or reminds the direction in north. So it is remains in always, it is in same position in the sky. It indicates the north direction. But some celestial bodies do not have their own light or own heat, because they are twinkled by the light of other stars. These type of stars called planets. Here planets are don't have their own light or heat. These are get from the sun. So planets, this word came from the Greek word planetia, which means wonders. So the earth is also planet because it gets all its heat and light from the sun only. So it is called planet. If we look at the earth from great distance, it is looking like shining as the moon. But moon we called it satellite because it is always move round the earth. And there are 7 other planets in celestial bodies. They also get heat and from the sun. Some are like moon.